Hi once again. In yesterday's video on list building, I introduced the term Optin pages, and so I thought today we'd carry on and just give you a little bit of a breakdown about the function and format of Optin pages. So these are aimed at sort of niche down targeting, as it were, and in other words, the Optin page is intended to focus on a specific niche or area of interest that your email or potential email customers will want to engage in. I mean, they may be interested in all sorts of things, so you can't cover everything with a generic Optin page because then you really get nowhere. So the idea is to have a simple format, less is more if you like. So a small image that would provide some visual attraction to your potential customers who say, I'd like to learn more. In actual fact, I'm prepared to provide my email address. So the simplest form would be just an email address and on a form in which you then submit. Or alternatively, your form may say, well, give me your first name, or give me your first name and your last name, and then in your email address, and submit it. So the idea then is you're looking for traffic that will come in, provide the email address and submit, and go on to a thank you page. But in the meantime, that email address is gone to a database and been part of an email list, which was the first item we mentioned yesterday. Now, in creating an Optin page, less is still more, okay? Because you do not want to have people's eyes distracted by a bit here and a bit there. You want a simple headline about what the niche is about, if you like, okay? A sub-headline that will provide some further explanation. And then, of course, you want to have your lead magnet. Now, lead magnet will cover in the next email or next video, but it's really saying, well, okay, this is the hook, as it were. If you're out fishing, this is the bait in which we want you to be really keen about giving us your email address. So the free ebook, for example, is a fairly common one, and I've produced them myself, and I'll give you the examples of when we get to that. But so it's then, okay, give me your email address, and once you've given me your email address, I will make sure that you have access to the free email book. Okay. It's important that in the structure of the page that you have your Optin page is that everything is above, call it the page fold line, because you want to have it on one screen. You do not want them to have to scroll down, for example, to put hit the submit button. You want them to have absolutely no reason whatsoever to go elsewhere, or even for a fraction of a second have them say, oh, it's too difficult, it's down there, I don't wish to do that. No, make sure it's all above the fold line, headline, sub-headline, bullet points about what it is they're going to get, or some detail about the ebook, the email address, bang, hit the button, submit. Right, you're on. So next time round, we'll provide more information about lead magnets and free ebooks and that type of thing. You will find a slide slotted in the video, or at least at the very end. So if you just want to take a look at that and have a page reference, as it were, then feel free to do so.